Hey, this is Dr. Nashley Cephas, and I'm a principal AI scientist at Amazon Web Services. I specialize in responsible AI, and today we're going to talk to Alicia, Mia, as well as Valeria, who work on the responsible AI team about the work that they've done, and we're going to show you how you can get more involved as well. Love to see how you've been doing the work with Machine Learning University and all the courses that you helped to initiate and create. I want to dive in a little bit deeper into some of the specifics so we can help others who are maybe not in this space understand a little bit more about what we're talking about.
I've been working on machine learning problems and solutions for many years, but I never really thought about a systematic way of actually analyzing all the potential risks that I could face before building it. So then I found this risk management framework, and this is actually something that we've adopted from the National Institute of Standards and Technology. They actually came out with a guidance booklet that organizations can take and then apply to their own AI use cases and applications. And then we converted that into a course actually. So now we're teaching the risk management framework.
How do you assess risk for a particular use case?
It's really 3 steps. So first you want to describe the use case that you're working on in as much detail as possible.
A use case would specifically define who the target demographic is, and we'd also want to identify what that demographic does not include. For example, testing voices of children checking in and out of class would be different than a system we would build for adults.
And then the next step, actually the hardest one, you want to think about all the potential things that could go wrong, and then you can actually quantify it as well. So you take what is the probability of the event occurring times how bad is it if it happens. And then obviously it will be up to your own risk tolerance on whether to proceed or not.
Let me get this straight. First, you want to find out what your use case is, and then you want to figure out what is your risk in each of those areas, and then assign a number to it, and then learn how to prioritize from there. So that's a great way to help us figure out the trade-offs and go straight to minimizing the risk.
Exactly. You will have some risks that are very high or critical depending on what numbers you get from the analysis itself. And it could be the case that maybe if you find too many critical risks that you just stop right there. Not every application is necessarily a good application to put out there. If the risk is too high, well then you stop.